Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to allow users get your business location near them in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This powerful feature allows businesses with multiple locations to help their customers easily find the location nearby. Users share their location inside the bot, and the bot finds the location closest to the users. To set this up, go to Find Places Near Me under Tools. Here, add the name of the location, the latitude, and the longitude. Go to the Flow Builder. Select Actions. Click More Options and select Find Locations Near Me action. Let me show you. In the Flow Builder, click Add Content and choose Get User Data. Add a message and edit options, such as reply type, save response to a custom field, and skip button label. Then, add a new flow. Select Actions. Click it and click Add Content. Select Actions. Click More Options and select Find Locations Near Me action. Don't forget to click Publish. Let's take a look at Preview. There you go. You just learned how to allow your users get your business location. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.